everyone, welcome to Axiomaticros. This video is the part of the solution series for CSIR NET December 2019. This is question number 71 from section B. So it's a multiple select question. Now let us read the question. The question is saying that let Px be a polynomial function of odd degree and G be a continuous function from R to R, then which of the following statements are true? So statement 1 is saying that there exists a point x naught belongs to R such that Px naught equal to G of x naught. So to disprove this, let us state Px is equal to x and G of x is equal to x plus 1. So Px is a polynomial of odd degree and Gx is a continuous function. But Px equal to G of x has no solution. So option 1 is incorrect. Option 2 is saying that if G is a polynomial function, then there exists x naught belongs to R such that P of x naught is equal to G of x naught. In this case also, I can take the same example as we have taken in option 1. Px is equal to x and G of x is equal to x plus 1. But P of x and equal to G of x has no solution. So option 2 is also incorrect. Option 3 is saying that if G is a bounded function, then there exists x naught belongs to R such that P of x naught equal to G of x naught. So G is bounded. It implies that there exists m greater than 0 such that G of x mod of G of x is less than m for all x belongs to R. Also f is given to be odd degree polynomial, so it is onto. Any odd degree polynomial is onto. So there will be some x naught belongs to R such that f of x naught is m plus 1. Similarly, there will be some x1 belongs to R such that f of x1 is minus m minus 1. Sorry, it should be P. Now let us calculate P of x naught minus G of x naught. P of x naught is m plus 1, G of x naught is less than m. So P of x naught minus G of x naught is greater than 0. Let us calculate P of x1 minus G of x1. P of x1 is minus m minus 1 and G of x1 is greater than equal to minus m, so it should be less than 0. Also P minus G of x is a continuous function because it is the difference of two continuous functions. So we can apply intermediate value theorem. By intermediate value theorem, these conditions implies that there will be some h2 in between h0 and h1 such that P of h2 is equal to G of h2. So option 3 is correct. Option 4 is saying that there is unique point x0 belongs to R such that P of x0 equal to G of x0. Now take P of x equal to x and G of x equal to x here. G is continuous function, P is a polynomial of odd degree, but P equal to G has two solutions, x equal to 0, 1. So option 4 is incorrect. So the only true statement is option 3. Option B, option A, option D are false statements. So if you have any doubts in this question, you can ask in comment section, or if you have any other doubts, you can join our Telegram group or WhatsApp group. Links are given in the description of this video. Thank you.